Hey, about to go and hit a Grandma Rollins, man. Check out this seafood market, man. Hey, how you doing? Me and the missus. Get some seafood in here. Hey, how you doing, sir?
All right, smile, y'all.
These are called red crabs.
Stay together, smile.
Red crabs.
We'll be famous.
Hey, how you doing?
TV man.
Huh?
Talking to my friends out there to make sure they're in good shape for the movies.
Thank you. Hey, yeah.
Look good standing together.
I really appreciate that, sir, getting them in good shape for me. Yeah, it's the nice spot down in Hampton, Virginia. Sea bass, red snapper, bluefish, rockfish, whitening, red drum spot. Nice Kroger, man. They got the trout, the whitening, red snapper. My favorite thing over here, though, is that catfish and Cajun catfish, man. Yeah, check it out, man. I ain't never heard of no a lot of these fish. Swordfish, a grouper, striper bass, redfish, clams. Nah, baby, I ain't up for trying no clams. I ain't no clam. Oh, man, tuna, salmon. Hey, y'all come on down here to check them out at Grandma. Yes, ma'am. I want some Cajun catfish.
You want the one that?
Yes, ma'am. Let me get how much you need today? Let me get about six pieces.
6 pieces.
Yeah. Yeah, man. That Cajun catfish be some kind of good. Man, check out these lobster crab cakes, man.
We cooked them one time before. They're the best.
We about to get some right now and cook them though. Best believe. And then look at them 1 ounce crab balls. I guarantee you full of crab. Full of crab. You want one? Yeah, boy, I got my catfish out here. See, I got my propane tank, my little. Hey, it's ready to go down, man. Go ahead and get this stuff battered up, bro. I got my grease heated up to 350. Come on over here and drop that catfish in there. Sorry. Come on over here and drop this other piece. Batter up some more, it's ready. Man, I don't know what kind of seasoning they put on that catfish, but I'm telling you, man. The lady told me it was a Cajun Creole, but they gotta let it marinate in there for about a week or something, man. But then you can't even let fish sit out that long, so I don't know how they do it. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy out of here. Put some of that grease off there. Y'all like y'all fish fry hard? When you put it between that loaf of bread, man, I'm on some good eating. Well, I wish I had some of that hot water cornbread. Let me call Mama and tell her I need some hot water cornbread. I need to cook all this, baby. You know, you was eating it last night, that's right. Take these bad boys out.
Go! 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 Stop that thing! Everybody, you come back and keep going fast.
Alright, so these them lobster crab cakes I was telling y'all about, man. Down there at the seafood market restaurant down here in Hampton, Virginia. Look, ingredient, blue crab meat, lobster meat. Man, I'm telling you, full of crab. And lots of seasoning, man. Get this bad boy out of here. Come over here, drop it in there like that. Place this oven in there. Look at all that lobster on the back of that bag, dude. Full of lobster, man. A lot of y'all ain't even buying lobster tails that big. Break his heart. Take these bad boys off, boy. Look at that. Woo. Hot. Thanks for tuning in to this video. If you're ever in the area,
in Hampton, Virginia. Go down to Grandma Rollins and check them out. Hey, peace out.